Only certain employees in your facility will be authorized to install LockOut TagOut devices. These employees must be able to recognize hazardous energy sources, as well as the type and amount of the energy associated with each one. They must also be aware of the procedures and devices that are used to control these energy sources. Other people who work with or around the machines and equipment that are serviced in LockOut TagOut situations are designated by OSHA as affected employees, since they may be affected by the work that is being done. These employees need to understand the purpose of your facility's energy control procedures and how they are used, and they must be informed whenever LockOut TagOut work is being done in their work areas. Affected employees are not, however, permitted to restart or re-energize machines once they have been locked out. When a piece of equipment needs to be locked out, there are several steps that should be taken. First of all, the necessary people must be notified. Once this is done, you can proceed with locking out and tagging the machine's energy sources. You should use the LockOut TagOut mechanisms that are designed for the energy isolation devices, such as electrical panels, circuit breakers, and valves that you are working with. Some facilities store all LockOut TagOut equipment in a central location, and there may be a LockOut TagOut log in which authorized employees must sign the devices in and out. The procedures you will need to follow will be described in your facility's written LockOut TagOut program. As you work, be sure to follow your company's standard operating procedures. Consult your energy control program guidelines as needed.